Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to talk to you about hair loss and what I have had the opportunity to test out for the last 2 months. A few months ago, I was approached by iRestore to see if I would test out their hair regrowth system, specifically this helmet, which is full of lasers and LEDs, and I'm going to explain all of this. And the reason I was very interested in this was because it's FDA cleared. They did a 4-month clinical studies where people saw regrowth with hair. I want to tell you guys a little bit about my history first. I'm going to show you unboxing everything and kind of what you get in this kit. Now you can purchase the kit together as a bundle, which is like the most effective because it comes with shampoo, conditioner, serum, supplements, or you can just purchase the device on its own. I'm really excited as well because iRestore is offering my viewers $200 off. The code is right now across the screen as well as in the description box with all the links and information you might need. And we're also going to be running a giveaway which is now live. If you'd like a chance to win an iRestore system, and all the details, all the rules, all the dates, everything will be in the description box. A little bit about my notice of hair thinning and hair loss. So it's not something I talk a whole ton about. I've done videos before talking about my friends losing their hair, my mom losing her hair, and how it affected their confidence, and really like how it's become more of a prevalent thing, female hair loss, which isn't talked a lot about. And even though it is more prevalent, we know it's happening, it's still not being addressed very often. I definitely think it's being addressed more so thanks to social media. Truly, it's still not enough in my opinion. And as women, it's very, very scary and really hard to admit that you're losing your hair or that your hair's thinning. I saw my mom go through it. I saw my beautiful, confident mom, how much it affected her. And I see it when my friends notice that their hair's thinning, how much it affects them as well. Because as women, we are kind of raised with this ideal of thick hair and full hair and beautiful, silky, healthy hair. And we identify ourselves with hair. Whether or not it's like something we recognize, it is definitely something that we subconsciously have for the most part. And I don't think women are defined by their beauty with their hair, but I think personally somehow it's still connected. For me, I've always been very, very self-conscious because I do have a larger forehead to begin with. Around my early 30s, I'm still in my early 30s. Well, now I'm in my mid 30s. Late 20s into my early 30s, I started to notice this area really starting to recede. It sucked, you know. I always had bangs growing up to kind of hide my larger forehead, and I felt like I grew into my forehead in my 20s. And when I finally started embracing my forehead was when I started to notice my hair kind of receding a little bit in these back corners. It doesn't look as bad because I've been using iRestore for a while now. It definitely was something I had noticed and I was starting to like feel down about, and I noticed the loss of volume of my hair. Really excited to partner with iRestore, and they sent me their entire set. And I'm going to show you how it comes and unboxing it all. Just got my iRestore in the mail. So there have been clinical study results where 100% of the participants experience hair growth. Comparison between iRestore and completing laser hair growth devices such as iGrow, HairMax, and Capillus. Oh! I wanted to try the iRestore because I wanted to see if it could thicken up my hair, make my hair healthier, and just kind of regrow some of the potential hair thinning or hair loss. I'm in my 30s, and this system's great for anyone 25 all the way through 70. So here's all the stuff that came in my box. The first thing is iRestore Hair Gummy Vitamins. So this is for hair, skin, and nails. It has biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E, coconut oil, and this is specifically for thinning hair. Then I have a portable battery. This goes with my hair care system. And I think these are my supplements. Or, nope, yes. Okay, so I've got the anti-hair loss shampoo. I then have the anti-hair loss serum. It's the 3-in-1 hair growth formula. There's 500 mcgs. It's got biotin, saw palmetto, DHT blocker. It's extra strength, and there's 60 tablets. As always, with any supplements, please speak to your doctors and let them know that you are considering taking it or want to take it, and talk to them in case you have any pre-existing conditions, have any other medications and things like that. But these ingredients are pretty common in hair growth. What I'm super excited about, this is the first of its kind for me to test and try. This is the iRestore Hair Growth System Professional 282. It's FDA cleared, it's lasers, it's supposed to help regrow your hair and help with the loss of hair and thinning. This is FDA cleared for both men and women. It's advanced laser therapy for balding, thinning hair. Experience clinical strength technology at home. And it grows thicker and fuller hair, 3 brief treatments weekly, so you don't have to do it every single day. There's no adverse side effects. It's easy, hands-free operation. What I like about this is that it's not a drug. It's actually just using the lasers. And then, of course, you've got the supporting shampoo, conditioner, supplements. This is the granddaddy. Look at this. This is so cool. It's like some futuristic laser helmet. And you can see inside, these are all of the different lasers in here, and it's nice and cushioned. There's a remote control. So there's an AC adapter, and then also I have the portable battery as well that they gave me in this kit. So when you unbox the entire system, you're gonna get this baby. This was what I was so excited to test out and review for you guys, because it's the first of its kind that I've actually seen. This is using light therapy, and it basically helps awaken the dormant hair follicles. Now, what's important about light therapy is to not overheat. That can do actual damage, and to use the right type of frequency and the right type of power. If you overpower, over frequency, you can overstimulate your hair follicles, and that can actually cause hair loss. So that's why iRestore is so important, because it's been FDA cleared. It also has been clinically tested, and it's the right amount of power, the right amount of frequencies. This is using both light therapy from lasers as well as LEDs. What I like about this is it's really easy. It's hands-free. You put this on. I plug it in just because I'm usually in the bedroom, and I'll plug this in, and then you turn this on, and it has a 25-minute timer. When I plug it in, I press play, start. It's really easy to use, and what I like to do is either catch up on my reading or catch up on my Insta stories or watch a couple YouTube videos while this sits on my head. And I also like it because this device actually shows you how much time is left. The other great thing is if you do need to like pause for whatever reason, you can press the pause button, go do what you need to do, come back and press play. If you need to shut it off earlier than you anticipated, you can just hold the power button and hold it for 3 seconds, and it will shut off. So what's awesome is that they also have a battery pack. So this means that you'll be completely wire free in terms of being attached to an outlet. This is what I've been using for, and I definitely have noticed my hair not only has become fuller, more voluminous, I don't have as much receding, and you can actually see like baby hairs growing in. Like, it's just incredible. It's incredible. It's like reawakened, kind of lazy or dormant hair follicles. And it's regrown hair, especially like up here. And you guys might be like, well, Serein, you just completely got a new hairstyle too, which maybe is why your hair looks better. Yes and no. So if you remember, and I'm going to insert photos of what my hair used to look like when it was straight. I had the same stylist, same haircut, guys. I actually had the same haircut. The difference was I didn't have as much hair, and even though I didn't have a perm, my hair was falling out at a very rapid pace and not regrowing as quickly as it should be or could be. The difference was after using iRestore, I was able to see that my hair, while it was still shedding like normal, was regrowing as well. And that's what was so important to me, is that, you know, we all shed. It's very scary to see how much hair we shed every single day, but it definitely isn't as scary when your hair is regrowing at the same time. So because my hair was regrowing, because my hair was more healthy and I wasn't having as much hair loss, I was able to have a fuller looking head of hair that then we got to perm because it was healthier, and we used a organic natural perm to bring in a little bit more texture and life into my hair. So this is air dried, and I'm so happy. I'm just so freaking happy with my hair. I love it. I love that you can buy this system and use it on your own at home in the comfort of your home. Treat a problem that can really affect your confidence and the way you feel about yourself. And like, I didn't realize how much my hair was affecting my confidence, which sounds so stupid and so silly, but it really was affecting how I felt about my photos, about how I felt about my videos. Like when I was doing my weekly check-ins, when I was just vlogging, I felt so like, I would look at my footage and be like, wow, my hair is so flat and thin. I don't have a lot of hair anymore. Like, what happened? I used to have so much hair. I used to have such thick, beautiful hair, and it just looks so dull and thin and unhealthy and flat. I started using the iRestore products as well as the at-home system, and I really started to notice like, wow, my hair is getting thicker. I have more of it. I can actually put it in a ponytail. I feel like I have strength to my hair, and I can actually go and get my hair cut again. And it's the same haircut, but I did get a treatment to like just give it some more texture. And I just have so much more hair, and it makes me so much more confident. I feel so much better. Like, I just feel so much better, and I don't know how to explain it. And I don't think you can understand unless you have noticed your hair thinning as well. Just really excited to partner with iRestore for the chance to try out the system at home. And like I mentioned, they're giving $200 off using my code. I will link the entire thing in the description box. And you can get just the system, or you can get the entire kit with shampoo and conditioner. I use this once a week, and then I use my other shampoo and conditioners the rest of the time. I actually don't wash my hair that often anymore. I get it wet and then use conditioner, but I try not to shampoo every single day. I encourage you guys to check it out if you've been dealing with hair loss. I will have some of the information from iRestore as well, from their clinical studies, in the description box for you guys. If you'd like a chance to enter, all of the information for the giveaway will be in the description box as well. Thank you so much for iRestore for giving me the opportunity to test out the system at home myself. I'm very happy with my results. I hope you guys can tell. Like, I hope you guys can tell. I mean, like, how cute does my hair look? Like, I know that sounds so vain, but I've been so happy with the way my hair looks lately. And yes, I have amazing stylists, but I had to have good, healthy hair for them to work with too. So anyways, thank you so much, iRestore. And if you guys have any questions for me, or any questions that specifically to iRestore, leave them in the comment section, and I will try and answer them or get the answers for you as quickly as possible. So until next time, I'll see you guys back here in my next video. Bye!